So it's the 6th of June, and apparently there was only a 30% chance that we would get another rate rise today. It just shows you that economists in the market, they'll guess and they'll forecast as much as they like, but at the end of the day, the RBA will make up its own mind. And so we've got another 25 basis points, and if you read the statement, it's pretty inevitable, it feels, that we're going to get at least one more and maybe two more. They are absolutely committed to removing inflation from the system. It's hard to know how that's actually going to happen with an unemployment rate as low as it is. So they're going to have to create a scenario whereby there's more unemployment. There's no more complicated than that. And then that will reduce spending, that will reduce prices, and that will stop the rate rises. But we've seen from overseas, particularly the US, where inflation is sticky. So it's not disappearing quickly. So we've got more to come. So my general guidance is call your bank, ask them to reduce your interest rate, threaten to leave if you have to, ask for a discharge form. We are making lots and lots of calls to clients and calling lenders, attempting to renegotiate. But frankly, often the strongest message sent to a bank is when the borrower calls themselves. There's still lenders who are offering cashback incentives, so $3,000 or $4,000 to go to them. Some lenders are working harder than others to keep your business. We know who they are. So some are chasing profit now rather than market share, and some are still chasing market share. If you're coming off a fixed rate in the next few months, talk to us, because we need to start budgeting for what life's going to look like. And if you're running your own calculators, don't use today's interest rate. Add another 0.5% or even 0.75% to your calculations. The other thing is that the repayments that you're making on a variable rate loan often lag the actual repayments due for the interest rate that you can see stated on your online banking. Okay, so they'll pass the increased repayment along for 2 or 3 months. And so a couple of clients have been caught out with that. What else? Property prices apparently increasing still. It's completely driven by supply and the lack of it, and particularly driven at the top end of the market. We're seeing softer prices being achieved at the lower end. So really does feel like a two-speed market, and there's lots of different markets happening around the country as well at the moment. As always, reach out for us. I know it's a testing time for everyone, but we are here for you and the team's ready to help. So just reach out whenever you need. Thanks.